A secondary prep kitchen in a large family house keeps traffic flowing and lets multiple cooks work without crowding the main kitchen. Design the layout with workflow zones that mirror a professional mise-en-place. A dedicated cooking zone with an induction cooktop and a microwave convection oven. A wet zone with a small sink for quick rinsing and a separate under-counter dishwasher if space allows. A refrigeration zone with an under-counter fridge for mise-en-place ingredients, and a storage zone with deep drawers and open shelving for frequently used cookware. Choose an induction cooktop sized to the space because it offers rapid heat control, easy cleaning, and stays cool to the touch. And pair it with a compact microwave convection oven that can roast, bake, and reheat to reduce trips to the main oven. Install a small sink with a high arc pull-down faucet and a low-flow aerator to save water while allowing easy pot filling and quick rinses, and place it near a waste chute or trash pullout to speed compost and garbage handling. Add a dedicated exhaust hood or an inline exhaust fan that vents to the exterior to control steam and odors separately from the main kitchen, sized to the cooktop's output and installed at the manufacturer recommended height. Plan storage with full extension drawers for pots and pans, vertical dividers for baking sheets, and labeled containers on open shelving so helpers can grab what they need without opening cabinets. Use soft close hardware and non-stick drawer liners for longevity. Think about electrical and service placement now. Run dedicated circuits for the induction cooktop and the convection oven, include multiple under-cabinet outlets along the prep counters, and place the under-counter fridge near the work triangle to avoid long walks while assembling dishes. Common mistakes start with underpowering circuits, which causes tripped breakers and interrupted cooking. Avoid this by having an electrician install dedicated circuits and confirm load calculations before finalizing appliance selection. Another frequent issue is poor ventilation, which leads to lingering smells and humidity in adjoining living spaces. Solve this by specifying a separately ducted exhaust size to the cooking load and verifying correct exterior termination. People also underestimate usable storage and choose shallow cabinets that look tidy but do not hold bulky cookware. Correct this by prioritizing deep drawers, appliance garages, and open shelving for high-frequency items so everything is accessible during busy service. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for second prep kitchen projects and helps contractors find work by connecting them with motivated homeowners. We also run an active discussion community where we share design ideas, contractor experiences, and real project photos so our members can make informed choices together.